This is some activities we decided to do for them. Because it's raining outside, so we can't play outside, right? Because it's raining.
Yeah.
So we decided to do. Yeah, we decided to draw.
Look. Look, Mama.
Be creative, right? Or get creative.
Picture that.
I'm picturing, don't worry. It's a documentary, not a picture. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Good job. You should be.
There, look.
Mexico, what are you doing? What is that?
That is
Maxi Kruchki. Maxi Kruchki.
Oh, Mama, look, you do this. That's working.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
done.
Nice. While you guys are doing that, Mama is gardening in here. And I'm about to put some seeds on too. And this is the outside thing. It's like everywhere, pots of stuff. And I have a lot more to come. Those need to be replanted. And these are new batches. So working here, doing my own art while they're doing their own art. Maxik, ручки, сынок. Maxik, hands, please. Marcus, are you copying Maxik? You know that that's not nice. Okay, Marcus.
Ow.
Maxik, ручки. Alright, this is what we're going to be doing. I don't know for how long, whenever they get tired of doing whatever they're doing. Hopefully it stops raining outside so we can go outside. But for now, we're staying in Illinois.
Hey, Mama,
Mm.
look at it.
What is that?
That is fish swimming.
Fish swimming?
No, that's not the gold. That car that was flying.
It looks like a
away.
dolphin to me jumping out of water.
Huh?
It looks like a huge dolphin jumping out of little tiny.
Okay. I make dolphin. Dolphin.
Nice.
Other fish.
I don't know. Draw a fish.
There, fish.
Maxie, can you say bye-bye? Marcus, can you say bye-bye?
Bye bye.
Thank you.